We know that plants are living thing, and plant also need food, just the animals have. That's why the plant is a living thing. We know that the plants have the autotrophic mode of nutrition, means plant prepare their own food with the help of carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and minerals. The process of preparation of the food in a plant is called photosynthesis. What is meant by photo? Photo means sunlight, and synthesis. Synthesis means to synthesize that sunlight, or synthesize the sunlight and trap the energy, or give the energy, or use which is used for the preparation of the food. Means what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process in which plant converts the simple food into the complex food with the help of carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and chlorophyll. And the chlorophyll. Just we know more about the photosynthesis, or how photosynthesis is done. I show you the plant. This is the whole plant. This plant shows the root, stem and leaves. What happens first? The chloroplast in the leaves absorb the sunlight. The chlorophyll is a green pigment. That's why the leaves of the tree appears green. And the chlorophyll have the ability to capture the sunlight energy. That's why the chlorophyll is essential for the absorption of the sunlight. Then the leaves of the plant have a small openings on it. We call it as stomata. We studied it earlier or in previous class. This stomata have a semi-permeable cells. Semi-permeables means allow only carbon dioxide inside the plant for the preparation of food. It cannot allow the other gases to come inside the leaves. Then the root of the plants, this is the root of the plants, absorb the water and minerals. These are the roots. Send it to the leaves through the stem. And in this way, in presence of chlorophyll, water and minerals and sunlight, plants prepare their own food in the form of starch, which we called as a complex food, and store or utilize by its development and growth. The excess food is stored in various parts like root, stem, leaves and mostly in the fruits. So in this way, with the help of water, sunlight, carbon dioxide, plant prepare their own food. The equation for the preparation of the food is our photosynthesis process is equalized or summarized in this way, that is the water plus CO2 in presence of the sunlight, it forms a starch. In this whole process, the oxygen is given out. This oxygen is given out, which is essential for our liveness. Means what happen? The plants prepare their own food, and in that process, they emit out the oxygen or taken out the oxygen through the stomata, and that oxygen we utilize for the respiration or liveness. Means for extend the life on the earth, we need fully depend on the oxygen. Then the second thing in the photosynthesis is that the plants absorb the carbon dioxide, which is essential for the photosynthesis and which is the harmful gas in our environment. And this carbon dioxide is mixed in the air due to the excessive burning of the fuel. We can't stop the burning of the fuel because we need the modernization and development. Therefore, we can't stop consuming of the carbon at this stage. But we can do one thing to reduce the pollution. Carbon dioxide is responsible for the air pollution, and to overcome this problem, what we need? We need to be plant more trees in our surrounding, and we conserve it. We don't cut the previous trees, but it is our duty to cultivate the more trees which absorb the excessive carbon dioxide in our nature and prevent the pollution. In this way, photosynthesis is the process in which they form the food which is needed for the liveness. It supplies the oxygen which is also needed for the liveness of the animal. That's why the photosynthesis is the very important process in the life of the living things. Thank you.